Alright, I'm on the farm today, and we got another field, small field to bale up, our west field, and got the John Deere 5055d International on the kicker wagon. I think we're going to use the Massey 50 on the kicker, on the hustle wagons today. Parked the Vermeer for right now. So the hay's really dry, and it's only been a few days. You'd think we'd had it out here a week. So let's get started. All right, here we go. Alright, I had to stop and pick a piece of autumn olive out of the windrow. Bad enough when you bale up snakes, but those autumn olives, man. If people could get high on those things, we'd let people come in and cut them for free. Take a look at the smell. String's tight. Feels pretty good. All right, we'll keep going. Alright, so got a fair number of bales on this wagon. Actually loaded this one up pretty good. But there's one just about ready to fall out. I'll leave it on there, we'll throw it on the other wagon, but nice bale of hay, I think. Sometimes I get these wagons loaded out really well, and other times they leave a lot to be desired. Probably could have put a few more up there, but sometimes they just roll right over the side. But I'll take it. Let's get another wagon and see if we can finish this field. All right, so we finished this field in short order, and again I stepped it up a gear and kind of kept the bale chamber filled. The hay is light because we didn't fertilize, but it's heavier in this field than it was in my east field. I still got a field down there to do, and I still got a flat that's from this field up there, and we still have to go over the hill and make some hay. There's still much to be done, so we'll be cutting again soon. Appreciate you watching. Stick with us. This is just first cut and we're not finished. The John Deere 5055d 348 John Deere baler, number 42 hand kicker, or ejector as John Deere likes to call it. Homemade kicker wagon. Pretty good combination. All right, we'll talk to you later.